Welcome to Melton Machine and Control Company. For years, manufacturers of all sizes have struggled to reduce welding cycle downtime, account for variations and imperfections in raw materials, maximize limited production floor space, and find enough skilled workers or employees. The all-new Ferris wheel cell from Melton addresses all of those issues and more. This self-contained welding cell is perfect for manufacturers looking to increase their part throughput rate, conserve floor space, and maintain stringent quality standards. The Ferris wheel cells are designed with robotic torches operating in enclosed space away from the operator. By enclosing this space, all fumes and arc flash are safely contained. This allows the operator to load and unload parts safely into the load side of the machine. Our experience from installing over 150 similar Ferris wheel style cells has played an integral part in the design of our new Ferris wheel. We have seen the problems with other manufacturers' cells and have designed a cell that increases productivity, reduces maintenance downtime, increases employee safety, and decreases total cost of ownership. The Ferris wheel not only increases productivity, but does it in the smallest footprint possible. Our design allows you to set a machine directly next to ours, so you can maximize your space without losing access to key maintenance items. The self-contained cell keeps elements like power supplies away from forklift traffic and potential damage. Safety and convenience are the driving forces behind this new design. We have integrated a new hoist system into our design to make changing tooling easier, safer, and faster. The roof system has a plenum opening that can be connected to your fume extraction system. The Ferris wheel also features light curtains and floor scanners to prevent accidental operation of the machine. The weld wire barrels can even be equipped with sensors to confirm proper wire size of all welds. The Ferris wheel cells are designed with a PLC and HMI to communicate with the robot controller. This allows for ease of use for operators, provides recipes for rapid changeover, and error reporting for any issue that arises, such as operations performed out of sequence. This new design allows for faster integration since many operational issues have been designed out. Customers have said this design is easier to maintain than previously purchased competitors' models. Give us a call today or visit us online and see if the all-new Ferris wheel cell is right for you.